Soviet soldiers used a training system that allowed them to perform 100 push-ups in a single set. Not 100 throughout the day, 100 reps without stopping. In this video, I'll break down the exact Soviet protocol that can take you from your current max to dramatically higher reps using a method that focuses on neural efficiency, perfect technique, and strategic practice. So if you want to double or even triple your push-up capacity, hit the like button and let's break it down. Grease the groove. The Soviet system was built around a concept called grease the groove. This method focuses on training your nervous system, not just your muscles. Your nervous system learns movements through repetition. Think about handwriting. If you learned to write a letter incorrectly as a child, you probably still write it that way today. Your brain locked in that movement pattern through repetition. The same thing happens with push-ups. Your nervous system doesn't know the difference between good technique and bad technique. It simply gets better at whatever movement you practice. If you perform hundreds of push-ups with poor form, you're not building strength, you're just reinforcing bad mechanics. That's why Soviet trainers had one important rule: end your set the moment your form starts to break down, not when your muscles burn, not when you feel exhausted. Now let's talk about the actual Soviet training method. The strategy was surprisingly simple. Instead of doing one intense workout, they spread their push-ups throughout the entire day. Rather than exhausting themselves with a single session, they performed multiple small sets from morning to night. Every time you perform a push-up with good form and without fatigue, your neural pathways responsible for that movement become stronger and more efficient. Over time, your brain builds faster and more efficient pathways for that motion. But this only works if you stay fresh. Fatigue creates messy signals. Perfect practice creates precise patterns. So here's how to apply this system. Remember the maximum push-ups you tested earlier? Take 50% of that number. If your maximum is 20 push-ups, your working number will be 10. For the next 6 days, perform 10 sets of that number throughout the day, spaced out from morning to evening. That would mean 10 sets of 10 push-ups if your max is 20. Here's the key rule. None of these sets should feel difficult. You shouldn't feel burned out, winded, or exhausted. After each set, you should feel like you could easily do another one. That means you're training in the correct zone. Follow this routine for 6 days per week, then take one complete rest day. After 2 weeks, test your maximum push-ups again. Your number will likely increase. If your max increases from 20 to 40, you simply repeat the process. Take 50% of the new number, which would be 20, then perform 10 sets of 20 push-ups throughout the day. Every 2 weeks, retest your maximum and adjust your training number. Because you're always training at about half your capacity, the sets remain manageable while your total strength steadily improves. Over time, you accumulate thousands of perfect push-ups. Eventually, your body stops viewing push-ups as difficult at all. They simply become something you can do. And when that happens, hitting 100 push-ups in one set becomes possible. Now, there's one more technique the Soviets used that can instantly improve your push-ups. Full body tension. Most people perform push-ups using only their chest and arms, but the Soviets believed the entire body should work together as one unit. Before starting a push-up, create 3 points of tension. First, your hands. Drive them into the ground as if you're trying to twist the floor apart. This creates tension through your arms, shoulders, and upper back. Second, your core. Brace your abs as if you're about to get punched. This stabilizes your spine and connects your upper body and lower body. Third, your glutes. Squeeze them tightly to keep your hips locked in position. Now engage all 3 at the same time. Grip, brace, squeeze. Then perform the push-up while maintaining that tension throughout the movement. At first, this may feel harder because you're using more muscle, but you'll quickly notice something interesting. Your push-ups feel more stable, more controlled, and more powerful. Your body moves as a single unit rather than separate parts. This technique can boost your push-ups right away, but it's most powerful when paired with the Soviet training protocol we covered. If you're ready to take your push-up game to the next level, hit that like button, subscribe, and start applying this method today. Your future self will thank you.